growing up, it was, iceberg lettuce and carrots and maybe broccoli, right? And now we've got from spinach to spring mix to different kinds of leaf lettuces to mini romaine to different romaine types. We've created so many different varieties of things we grow now. We're in the small town of Hopeville, California, and we here at Vessey Company are mainly leafy greens vegetable growers. 90% of the leafy greens supplied to the United States are grown right in this area within a 50 to 100 mile radius. Crop rotation is very special in the Imperial Valley. We've created this sustainable model for our ground. We have less disease issues than other places because of that rotation we use. And it's very important for us to be able to work with our neighbors and to keep that ground healthy for the next 100 years. My job is to make sure that I sustain this business for the next generation, to make sure that we do our part and I think provide the United States with healthy and fresh produce. One of the things I always tell people is that, we're your winter source for leafy greens. What it means to normal consumers is that we're not growing hot Cheetos for your kids. We're growing medicine. And that medicine that we're growing is where you're going to get it in the wintertime. And I think it's very important for the health of America to do what we do here in the Imperial Valley.